Stop scrolling. Because what's happening in Dubai right now is not what you think. From the outside, Dubai still looks perfect. Towering skyscrapers, luxury cars everywhere, billionaires living the dream. But behind this flawless image, something is changing fast. In the last few weeks, silent shifts have started. Money is moving, tensions are rising, and decisions are being made that could change Dubai's future forever. And the craziest part? Most people living there don't even realize what's coming. So the real question is Dubai still the safest dream city in the world? Or is it slowly turning into something much more unpredictable? Stay with me till the end, because the truth you're about to hear is something the media isn't fully showing you. Dubai, home of the Burj Khalifa, Palm Jumeirah, supercars, golden beaches, and non-stop luxury life. The world calls it a safe haven, the city of the future. Every year, millions come here chasing their dreams. But right now, in March 2026, this glittering city is living under missile threats, falling debris, heavy rains, and floods. What you see on Instagram is nothing like the real scene on the ground. Here's the biggest shock. Since early March, Iran has launched hundreds of ballistic missiles, thousands of drones, and cruise missiles toward the UAE. According to UAE official numbers, we're talking over 350 ballistic missiles, more than 1,800 drones, and multiple cruise missiles. Many targeted critical spots: Dubai International Airport, Jebel Ali Port, residential areas, and key infrastructure. UAE air defenses intercepted most of them, but the ones that got through, or the debris from interceptions, caused real havoc. In Abu Dhabi, falling debris from an intercepted missile killed 2 teenagers and injured others. Reports confirm Indian and Pakistani expats were among those affected. Across the UAE, there have been civilian and military casualties, with over 160 injuries reported. In Dubai, debris triggered fires, building damage, and chaos. Flights were heavily disrupted, and the port took hits. The government says the situation is under control, but you can feel the tension. These attacks have been going on for weeks, and UAE air defenses are still engaging threats almost daily. And as if that wasn't enough, starting March 23rd, heavy rains and thunderstorms slammed the entire UAE. Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, and Ras Al Khaimah saw flash flooding. Roads turned into rivers, traffic came to a standstill, and low-lying areas filled with water fast. It looked just like the deadly 2024 floods. Damaged cars, people trapped at home. The National Center for Meteorology issued strong warnings, and unstable weather is still hanging around. In a desert city, this kind of heavy rain feels surreal. A lot of locals are saying even nature seems to be working against Dubai right now. This double hit is now showing up in the economy. Tourism has taken a serious blow. Bookings canceled left and right, hotels sitting half empty, big events postponed or scaled back. Many expats are heading back to India, Pakistan, the UK, and elsewhere. Real estate is feeling the pressure too. Sales slowing down, prices under strain, and some luxury projects seeing cancellations. The safe haven image that Dubai built for decades just got a major reality check. People who moved here for tax-free living are now asking themselves, is it still safe? But here's the thing, Dubai doesn't go down easy. The government is pushing the message of business as usual. Malls are open, restaurants are running, and beaches still have visitors.
Yes.
Air defenses stay on high alert. Tomorrow, March 28th, 2026, the Dubai World Cup goes ahead at Meydan, the world's richest horse racing event, with a massive $30.5 million prize pool. The show must go on, and long-term projects like flying taxis are still in the pipeline. This city is incredibly resilient, But luxury life under the shadow of conflict has become the new normal. So this is the real picture of Dubai right now. Missile threats, falling debris, heavy rains, floods, and growing economic pressure. On the surface, it still looks like luxury, but underneath, there's a real struggle. Everyone faces tough times at some point. So tell me in the comments, do you think Dubai is still safe for travel? Would you cancel your trip, or are you still planning to go? If this eye-opening update hit you, smash that like button, share it with friends who are thinking about Dubai, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future ground reports. Hit the bell icon too. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.